It sucks. I think that's for Mommy. What's that?
Kitty stickers.
Kitty stickers, yay! Oh my goodness. Look at this cart.
It says.
What does it say?
It says here.
What does it say? Can you read it?
The.
Victoria's Secret.
I think.
Ooh, that's nice. Aunt Sandy's awesome. What's this? It's a candle. Oh, you don't want to smell it. Hey. Look at the notepad. What's that? Let me see. Baby. What's that?
Another shampoo.
Another shampoo. I think it's ooh, that's the good stuff. What's that for?
The Target.
Target, yeah. So we can get a Victoria's Secret and Target. And what's this one for?
Kitty balloon.
What's this one for? Can you read this?
A shampoo. Another shampoo.
Oh my gosh. What's this one for?
I'll get a balloon.
Then you're gonna get a balloon, huh?
Hey, look what I found.
What did you found? Ooh, that's nice. This is something break up. Ooh, that's beautiful.